Welcome to another tutorial from MentorCraft Solutions Private Limited. Let's see how to join a class. Click on the plus button on the top right hand corner. It will ask you to enter your class code to which you want to join. Enter your class code here. You will receive class codes from different teachers based on their subject. Click join. So you can follow the same process to join your class of your choice using its own class code. If you want to join the 7C Maths class, you need to get out of this class and join the Maths class. To move out of this class, what you need to do is click on the three lines on the top left hand corner. Click classes. There it will show you all the classes you have joined so far. To join on another class, click on the plus button. It will ask you to enter the class code. Enter the class code. So this is the class code for my Maths class. So click join. So you are inside your Maths class. You can see a welcome message from your teacher. If you want to see the attached video with this introduction message, click on the message. You can see the attached video here. Click on the attached video to play on a different window. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand how to join in a particular classroom using its class code. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also please hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.